right, you're looking for a nice GTO. Here's one to take a look at, 1965 Pontiac GTO. Yes, this is a true GTO, not a Tempest that's badged up as one. Do have PHS documents available, so if you'd like to request those a little later in the video, I'll give you a phone number and how you can do that. Powered by a 389 underneath the hood. It is a correct YC block also, so that would be error correct, 389 to this particular Pontiac. Now this would have came as a 4-barrel car. Right now it does have the 3-deuce setup, so tri-power on this particular one. Also has power steering and electronic ignition has been added to it. Very nice running car. I would probably say this is at your upper echelon of a driver quality GTO. Now, as far as still pictures, seeing the underside, checking out the engine bay, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or if you look down below this video, you'll see a link you can click on that'll take you to the pictures of this car. And then once again, if you'd like to know about the PHS docs, or like to discuss this car with us, phone number 507-386-1726. You can see the car is nice and straight. Before the previous owner had it, this car actually came out of Kansas. See, it's riding on the Pontiac Rally style wheels, Pontiac Motor Division center hubs. Has Hercules red line radial tires on it for that great stock look. Now this particular one, as far as some of the equipment it came with, I did mention that it had power steering. Also came with a bucket seat, center console, rally gauges, 390 rear end. And this door isn't closed all the way, by the way. Since we're around here, might as well let you take a look at the interior on this side too. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'll start it up. As you can see, black vinyl buckets. The headliner, also in nice shape. Contains a stock looking dash. It is a true 4-speed car too. Well, it came with an M20 according to the PHS. There, now you can see that door closed. We also consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist getting this GTO to where you're located at. FYI, this is some sun coming in a window where I have a shade closed. That's not any discoloration or anything like that in the paint. If you see something like that, again, have any questions, phone number, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. Look down below in the description of this video. You're going to see a link. Click on it. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. That's where you can check out the undersides, the still pictures of the trunk. Has a red line spare in the back and a jack. Just the way you'd expect this trunk to look in 1965 when this car rolled out of the Pontiac dealership. Let's go ahead and come around here. Again, you can see up and down this car how nice and straight it is. Won't be afraid to show this one. Drive it into your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, and of course just out for burning up some rubber. All right, GTO placard on the door card, which is correct. Again, you can see the carpeting. It's in nice shape. Vinyl is not ripped or torn. Check out the driver's side. Again, retains that stock looking dash as well as the gauge package that was indicated in the PHS. Let's go ahead and fire this up. We'll pop the hood and check out how nice and tidy as it is under there and see how this car runs. Parking brake worked also. FYI, also had the wipers working. The one thing, and the fan, the blower and everything worked on the fan. The one thing I did not have working was the radio. Give you a heads up. Check out the tack. The tack works. There was also, I noticed a little gauge cluster in the glove box. I suppose they have it for oil pressure, and just if you wanted to monitor that or check it. Again, dash, nice shape. This is a rumble coming out of this 389. That sound good with that tri-power on there. This one's got to be a lot of fun to drive. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. Let's pop the hood, take a look underneath there, and see how it looks. All right, here we go. Underneath the hood, nice and clean. correct Pontiac blue engine, chrome valve covers. There's that tri-power, power steering. See how smooth that baby runs. Like I said, it is a YC block, which you can take a look. Right down here, you won't be able to see it in the video, but there is a YC block in this, which would be error correct for the GTO 389. There's electronic ignition I was talking about. What a smooth running car. There you have it. Once again, call with any questions. 507-386-1726. Down below this video, there's a link. You can click on that. That'll take you to the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist with the transportation, getting this car to where you're located at. A true 1965 Pontiac GTO with PHS documentation. Look forward to hearing from you.